At Stem Cell Care India, advanced technology is helping us understand your health better. Today, technology is helping doctors understand your condition better than ever before. Diagnosing conditions that involve stem cells and nerves can be complicated and time-consuming. Artificial intelligence, or AI, helps doctors quickly study medical data and images with greater accuracy. AI can help identify the quality and health of stem cells, supporting more confident medical decisions. By finding patterns early, AI can help doctors understand conditions sooner and plan treatment more effectively. This allows treatments, including stem cell therapy, to be planned based on each patient's unique needs. AI-assisted diagnosis is already being used in advanced medical and research centers. AI does not replace doctors, it supports them, helping ensure safer and more informed care. AI-enhanced stem cell diagnosis is helping doctors move closer to more accurate and personalized healing. Stem Cell Care India combines medical expertise and advanced technology to support your journey toward better health.